Good morning, children. Now, starting for the cell structure, the previous class, finishing for the fundamental unit of life, the continuation of cell structure, the cell membrane also finished, and nucleus also finished. Now, starting for cytoplasmic organelles. Cytoplasmic organelles present for the mitochondria, Golgi body, lysosomes, endoplasmic reticulum, plastid, cilia, flagella, centrosomes, ribosomes, and microbodies. Non-living cell inclusions, reserved food materials, that's called as a carbohydrate, nitrogenous product, fat and oil. Excretive products, alkaloids, essential oil, gums, glycosides, latex, organic acid, resin, tannin, mineral crystals, secretive products, coloring matters and nectars.
Cytoplasm. Cytoplasm occupies the major part of the cell. It is a living component of cell consisting of transparent, semi-fluid, granular substance. It is limited on the outside by the cell membrane. Water is the main component of cytoplasm. Cytoplasm have two major parts, cytosol and cell organelles. Cytosol is the fluid part of cytoplasm. It is viscous and contains a number of substances like water, iron, enzymes, vitamins, carbohydrates, lipids, and proteins. All major biochemical reactions take place in the cytoplasm. Cell organelles. Cell membrane are thinly submicroscopic structure that are specialized to perform specific function. These organelles are bounded by membrane to keep their contents separate from the external environment. These organelles include mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi bodies, plastids, lysosomes, peroxisomes, ribosomes, and centrosomes. Mitochondria. Singular, mitochondrion. Mitochondrion are rod-shaped cell organelles surrounded by a double membrane. The outer membrane is smooth and porous, while the inner membrane is folded into large number of finger-like structure called cristae. Cristae inside the surface area of the inner membrane, which provide more surface area of metabolic reaction to take place. The fluid inside the mitochondria is called the matrix. Mitochondria, commonly known as powerhouse of the cell. They contain enzyme necessary for the total oxidation of food and for release large amount of energy in the form of ATP molecules. The energy stored in its ATP is used for synthesis of new products of metabolic process. A flowchart that describes the fat of glucose in the release of energy. In cytoplasm, glucose enters the cell containing 6 atoms of carbons, break down into 2 pyruvic acid molecules containing 3 carbon atoms. In mitochondria, oxidize into CO2, H2O, and ATP. Mitochondria have the ability to make their own protein as they contain their own DNA and ribosome. That is why mitochondria is also known as semi-autonomous organelles. See the structure of mitochondria. The infolding finger-like projection called as a cristae. The space called as a matrix. The cristae containing for F1 particles. The inner membranes also occurred. The outer membrane also occurred. The function of mitochondria The mitochondria are the site of cellular respiration. Their use of molecular oxygen for air to oxidize to carbohydrate and fats present in the cell to carbon dioxide and water vapors. Glucose, oxygen, carbon dioxide plus water plus energy. Mitochondria provide energy in the form of ATP for various metabolic activities of living cell. Since the mitochondria synthesize ATP, it is also known as powerhouse of the cell. Plastid. Plastid are found in the plant cell. They are absent in animal cells. On the basis of pigments present in the plastid are as follow three types. Leucoplast. Leucoplasts are colorless plastid. They are found storage cells of fruit, seeds, and underground stems. They take part in storage of food. Leucoplasts are of three types depending on the storage products. Amyloplast store starch, aleuroplast stored protein, while aleoplast stored oil and fats. Chromoplast, they are colored plastid. The color vary from red, orange, yellow, etc. Due to the presence of carotenoids, they are most found in flowers and fruits. They provide coloration to organs for attraction for pollinators. Chloroplast. Chloroplast are green color plastid found in leaves. The green color is due to the presence of chlorophyll. Chlorophyll trap the solar energy which is used for manufacturing food. They are the site of photosynthesis. So chloroplasts are the kitchen of the cell. Structure of chloroplast. A chloroplast is structure of chloroplast. A chloroplast is bounded by two membranes, that is outer membrane and inner membrane. The inside of chloroplast is clearly marked into the colorless ground matrix called stroma. Stroma is homogeneous matrix in which grana is embedded. Stroma containing variety of photosynthetic enzyme, DNA and ribosome. It is the site where all chemical reaction occur and starch are synthesized. Grana are stalks of membrane bounded flat-ended sacs containing a molecules of chlorophyll. One thylakoid sac is known as grana. Each thylakoid have chlorophyll molecules on their surface that trap sunlight and take part in the process of photosynthesis. The stalk of grana are connected by stroma lamella. The lamella act like a skeleton of chloroplast, keeping all sacs in surface distance from the other sac. Grana are main function unit of chloroplast. Chloroplast picture. See the chloroplast picture. Function of chloroplast. Chloroplast traps solar energy which is used to manufacture food through photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is the process of synthesizing food from carbon dioxide and water in the presence of sunlight. CO2 plus H2O gives rise to glucose plus oxygen. See the picture. The energy comes from the solar system. The carbon dioxide is uptake of chlorophyll pigments and release of oxygen, the leaf material stored in the form of glucose, and water also vaporized. Chromoplast provide color of fruits and flower to attract the insect for pollinators. Leucoplast take a part of storage of protein, starch and oil. And another one organelles, endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum is a complex network of membrane bounded structure which is run through the cytoplasm, cisternae and the space within the fold of endoplasmic membrane. It is connected to both the outer nuclear membranes as well as the cell membrane. The membrane has the same structure as the plasma membrane but ribosome do not have membranes. Depending on the process or absence of ribosome of the surface of the endoplasmic reticulum, it is divided into two types. One is a rough endoplasmic reticulum. It is lined with ribosome and is rough in appearance, hence named as rough endoplasmic reticulum. It is the site of protein synthesis. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum, it contains no ribosome and hence is smooth in appearance. It helps in lipid and steroids synthesis. See the structure of the endoplasmic reticulum. Is the endoplasmic reticulum attached to the nucleus. The nuclear pore is there, nuclear envelope. The smooth endoplasmic reticulum also is there. The ribosome attached to the endoplasmic reticulum is go and bind with the cytoplasm of the cell membrane. The crystal space also is there. The cisternae also is there. Function of the endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum helps in the intracellular and intercellular transport of material. It is the transport system of the cell. It transport of chemicals between cell and within the cell. It provides large surface area of various metabolic reactions. A rough endoplasmic reticulum is a site of protein synthesis. A smooth endoplasmic reticulum helps in the lipid synthesis. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum in liver cells helps the detoxifying many drugs and poisons. Proteins and lipids synthesized on endoplasmic reticulum are used to making cell membrane. This process is known as a membrane biogenesis. Golgi bodies. Golgi bodies consist of smooth, flat-ended, membrane-bounded, sac-like structure called as cisternae. These cisternae are sacked together, placed one above another in parallel rows. It is frequently surrounded by the vesicle which are discharged from the cisternae. Membranes of Golgi body, many develop connection with membranes of endoplasmic reticulum for the complex called as a extreme membrane systems. You see the structure of the Golgi bodies. The incoming transport vesicles, cisphase, cisternae, lumen, transphase, newly formed vesicles and secretory vesicles also is there. The Golgi apparatus receive the vesicles from endoplasmic reticulum to on its convex or cisphase for elaboration of their content. They are dispatched to intracellular and extracellular targets through vesicle that develop on the side as well as maturing cover of transphase apparatus. Function of Golgi bodies. It is involved in the synthesis and repair of cell membrane. It is also involved in the formation of lysosome and peroxisomes. Secretion is a major function of Golgi apparatus. All type of substances that are secreted and excreted are packed in vesicles by Golgi bodies for passage to the outside. It is a secretory organelles of the cells. Golgi apparatus also take part in storage, modification and packing of various biochemical products produced by different components of the cell. Lysosome. Lysis. Breakdown. Soma body. Lysosome are small, spherical vesicle covered by a single membrane. It is scattered all over the cytoplasm. See the lysosomes. It contains powerful digestive enzymes, about 40 in numbers, that are capable of breaking down of organic matter. That lysosome serve as a intracellular digestive system and is called as a digestive bags. Lysosome phagocytosis, lysosome digestive foods. The digestive enzymes containing lysosome are synthesized by a rough endoplasmic reticulum and are packed into the lysosome by Golgi bodies. Lysosome are also called suicidal bag as the enzyme containing them can digest the cell own material when damaged or death. Autophage. Lysosome packing down damage the organelles. Function of lysosomes. Lysosomes helps in intracellular digestion of food particles as they are rich in various enzymes. They help in the destruction of foreign particles as in white blood cells. They help in clean up by the cell by digested damaged material of the cell. Lysosome are therefore called as a cellular scavengers. Lysosome digest the cell own material by damage of dead, hence they provide energy during the cell starvation by digestion cells own part. Ribosomes. Ribosome are thinly membraneless organelles present in the cytoplasm. They are found either in free state in cytoplasm or attached to the surface of endoplasmic reticulum. They are rich in RNA and proteins. Function of ribosomes. Ribosome are site of protein synthesis, hence they are known as protein factories of cell. Centrosomes. Centrosome is a small nacred organelles found in the cytoplasm near the outer surface of the nucleus. It encloses two microcylinder called centrioles. The two centrioles lie at right angle to each other. Centrosome and centriole, the spindle fiber also is there. The centrosome, the astral rails also occur. In plant cell, centrosome is absent and the polar caps perform the function of centrosomes. Function of centrosomes. Centrosomes and centrioles helps in the formation of spindle fiber during the cell divisions. Centriole also produced basal body that forms cilia and flagella. Vacuole. Vacuole are a membrane bounded fluid filled cavity or sac present in the cytoplasm. They are surrounded by a membrane called tonoplast. The vacuole is filled with a liquid called cell sap that containing dissolved salt and sugars. A single large vacuole is present in the plant cell in animal cell. Vacuole may or may not be present. If present, there are numerous and smaller in size. Vacuoles are three types. 1. Sap vacuoles. Sap vacuoles store salt, sugar, amino acid, salt and some protein. Sap vacuole helps in maintaining the turgidity of the cell. It is also maintaining the osmotic pressure of the cell. Food vacuole. In single cell organism like amoeba, the sac containing the ingested food fused with the lysosome to form food vacuole. The presence of digestion take place inside the food vacuole. Contractile vacuoles. Contractile vacuoles collected liquid from the cell swell up and rise on the surface and burst to release their content. Take part in osmoregulation and excretions. Function of vacuoles in plant cell. Vacuole help to provide turgidity of the cell. Vacuole act as a storehouse of pigments and waste product. It also store useful minerals and salt. Sap vacuole maintain a osmotic concentration which is required for absorption of waters. In animal cell, in single celled organism like amoeba, food vacuole help digestion of food particles. Contractile vacuole take part in the osmoregulation and excretion. They stored material such as food, water, sugar and waste products. The remember of the points. The components of the cell: cell membrane, cytoplasm, nucleus. Cell organelles: membrane bounded endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi complex, mitochondria, plastid only in plant cell, lysosome only in animal cells. Non-membranes: ribosome, cytoskeleton, centrioles only in animal cells. Difference between plant cell and animal cells. Plant cell are large in size compared to animal cells. Animal cell is comparatively smaller in size. Cell wall is presented around cell membrane. Cell wall is absent in animal cell. Plastid present in plant cell. Plastid absent in animal cell. A single large central vacuole is presented in plant cell. Few small vacuoles are presented in animal cells. Golgi body present in the form of unit known as dictyosomes. In animal cell, Golgi body is well developed. In plant cell, nuclei lie on the side of the peripheral cytoplasm. In animal cell, nucleus lies in the center of the cell. The centrosomes and centriole are absent in plant cell. Centrosome with centriole is presented in animal cell. Let us summarize the function of various parts of the cell. Cell organelles, structure and function. Cell membrane found in all cells, composed of lipid and proteins, selective, permeable, function production and gives defined shape of the cells, regulate movement of ion across the cell. Cell wall found only in the plant cell, composed of cellulose and hemicellulose, rigid and strong. Function provide mechanical strength of a cell, making cell turgidity, protect cell against pathogens and injury. Nucleus, master control of the cell, composed of protein, phosphorus and DNA, RNA. Function control all activities of cell, response for transmission of characters. And cytoplasm, composed of insoluble waste and storage product, storehouse of the amino acid, site of metabolic activities. Endoplasmic reticulum occurs in three forms: cristae, vesicle and tubule. It is of two types: smooth endoplasmic reticulum and rough endoplasmic reticulums. It provides support skeletal framework to the cell. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum synthesizes fat. Rough endoplasmic reticulum play a role in the modification of proteins. Golgi apparatus in plant cell, they are called as dictyosomes. Consists of the cisternae stack together in the parallel rows. Packing materials synthesized in cell and dispatched from cell across the plasma membrane. Produce lysosomes. Ribosome, composed of RNA and proteins, helps in protein synthesis. Mitochondria, powerhouse of the cell, semi-autonomous organelles, site of cellular respiration, produce ATP, universal currency of energy. Chloroplast, kitchen of the cell, semi-autonomous organelles, site of photosynthesis, stored food in the form of carbohydrate. Lysosome, suicidal back of the cell, thinly sac-like structure, surrounded by a single thin membranes, contain the digestive enzymes and helps in intracellular digestions. Vacuoles, fluid-filled structural bounded by tonoplast, provide turgidity and rigidity to the plant cell. Take part is excretion and osmoregulations. We are all seen the structure of chloroplast. The outer membrane and the inner membrane is there. The granum, the coin-like structure is there. The lumen, in the cross section seeing the interface called as a lumen. Thylakoid is a coin shape, and stroma, the space is there, and stroma lamella, the connecting space, that's called as a stroma lamella. Inner membrane space also is occurred. Function of chloroplast. Cilia and flagella. Cilia, flagella are mechanical, hair-like cellular appendages and locomotive structure. Flagellar apparatus is consist of following parts: shaft or ciliary parts. It is projecting hair-like part of ciliary apparatus. Cilium is composed of 11 microtubules, 9 plus 2, 9 doublet, 2 singlet. A bundle of microtubule is called as axonemes. 9 microtubules are peripheral and each composed of 2 small tubules, that is A tubulin with 2 arms and P tubulin without arms. Microtubules is consisting of a contractile protein tubulin similar to actin of muscles. Arms of A tubules consisting of an enzymatic protein diin similar to myosin of muscles cells. Diin have ability of hydrolyze of ATP and liberate energy from ciliary movements. The central tubules are connected by bridges and it is also enclosed by a central sheath which is connected to one of the tubules of each peripheral tubules by radial spoke. Thus, three are main radial spokes. The peripheral doublets are also interconnected by linkers. Diagrammatic representation of internal structure of cilia and flagella. The central sheath is the plasma membrane and peripheral uh, microtubules doublet, the inner doublet bridge, central microtubules is there, and flagellum and cilium. Tiers of flagellum, the central pair of the fibrils, a ring of the fibril pairs. The whiplash, no projection is there. The thin cell, the projection also occur. Kinetochore or basal granule or basal body, it is a membraneless structure, lies immediately below the plasma membrane. Basal body exhibit chart wheel structure similar to centrioles. 9 triplet fibril connected to the central hub in basal body. Arrangement of microtubules is 9 triple plus 0 in basal granules. There occur 9 microtubules on periphery and each microtubule is composed of 3 tubules, that is A tubule, B tubule and C tubule. Central part of the basal granule is composed of semi-solid cytosol called central hub. Microtubules connected to central hub with the help of protein fibers called primary fibers or spokes. Secondary fibers connected microtubules with each other. Each primary fiber have a thickening called X thickening. In between X thickening there are occur Y thickenings. X and Y thickening are interconnected. Rootlet or rhizoplast. This is a conical bundle of protein fibers which arise from basal body two different directions. Rootlet had dark band composed of ATPase. Types of flagella. Whiplash, when the lateral hair-like structure absent. Thin shell, when the flagellum bears lateral hairs-like structure. Cilia and flagella are similar in structure, but some difference may be observed. The cilia are small in size, 5 to 10 micron. Flagella are long up to 150 micron. Number of cilia per cells in very large. Flagella few in numbers. Cilia beat in coordination manners. Flagella beats independently. Cilia, they take part in the locomotion, attachment, feeding and sensations. Flagella involve only in locomotion.